Good day, Divergence Traders. How are you all doing today? I hope you're all doing fine. We are on the Ninja Trader platform, 2-minute. Okay, look up there in the top left corner, you'll see the 2-minute we're on. There it is, 2-minute. Okay, we had a great trading day today. Finally, we got out of the fucking fake out, no fucking continuation. Fake out, no continuation. Although they were they were doing that right here. The fake out with no follow through. Here. Yeah, it was all messed up. All messed up at the beginning of the United Kingdom session. Okay, so anyway, today, this is the opening right here. Okay, or just after it. We had a high and a higher high. Did I ever tell you about that? The higher highs? I did. I know I did. And the lower lows? Yeah. We had some nice higher highs today. Yes, indeed. So right here, a high, a retracement, and a higher high. Right? And down we go. I got in about right here. Okay, I saw the higher close. This is a 2-minute now. It's moving fast. Okay, so that's the thing with this. You know, if you're waiting for something to close up against, you know, the near-term trend, which was down. Okay, it's hard to get, you know, your exact order right there on the open unless you hire someone to build you a robot that will recognize it and do it, because you can. You know, not even a robot, just something that you go, okay, we're in a downtrend. The 5 is below the 7, and you click it on to sell once it sees a higher closing candle, higher closing than the open of the candle. Okay, so it would have got you in, boom, right there, quick as quick can fucking be, because it's programmed in there. I was thinking of making one myself, but I never did. But anyway, you would always get ultimate fills unless it slipped exactly at that moment of the closure of the higher close candle. Okay, so it could have jumped up and right here and jumped up and gave you a better fill. Who knows? But anyway, that's how that would work. So we put a red diamond right on the opening of this candle. You would sell it all the way down. It went. Okay, I scalped the shit of it all the way down. I was a scalping machine today. It was awesome. Every trade I did was a winner. Yes. Oh, no. I had a loser. I had a little loser over here. Yeah. I bought it and I thought it was going to go, and then they took the fucking, or was it there? Or no, it was in here. It was right in here. I did a trade in here, and it was good right in here. And the divergence, let me show you the divergence to confirm my reason to get into the trade. Okay, see this big mountain right here? See, right down to here, wherever it goes, right there. So I sold it right in here, did a quick scalp, took the money. Then when it came up here, I thought it was doing its, you know, famous 1, 2, 3, and 4 up here. It actually did it, as you can see, but it fucking freaked me out, because I was buying right in here. As soon as it closed up above the fucking main pivot of the day, I said, okay, we're probably going to just go all the way up and make a new high. I knew it was going to do this before it fucking did it. But I got in here, and then it fucking drops down here, and I got out here with a loss. And then I got mad, and I did some gambling, trades. So once it started to come back up here, I bought it again, and I took back what I lost right in here. Yeah. How did I know it was going to keep going up here? I didn't fucking know for sure, but I knew that this was setting up to the, to the 1, 2, 3, 4. It does that so many times. There's something I want to show you today. It's kind of crazy, but it does it every fucking. It does it a lot, and not just in the last few days. Okay, what usually happens is the market was the price was taken up to some highs up here, higher highs, and then the fucking stock market opens up, right, and then they fucking take it all the way down here. They get everybody selling all the way down here, and they trap the fucking sellers down here, and then they take it up to new highs. Do you know how fucking often they do that? Let me show you. Okay, here's one. Up it goes, right? They bring it up, then they bring it fucking down, and then they bring it to new highs. And sometimes it just keeps going up and up and up. It has to be going up and up and up to new highs and new highs. Because look where the fuck we are now, 18,200, right? Does the price really need to be there? No, somebody did a lot of buy-in, right? Yeah. See, here it is again. They took it up in here in the UK session. They took it up, and then actually before the open today, they took it down, or yesterday. They take it down, and then they take it to a new high. See that? That's two of them now. That's yesterday and today. Let's look over here. What do we see here? Okay, it's a little different here. They fucking took it up. Today they did like the opposite, and then they took it right back down. That's what they did. They did the opposite. Now, where did I keep seeing those? I guess it wasn't this one. Well, it is. They took it up, went sideways, and then they took it down again. See? They play a trick, man. They play tricks on us. See this sucker right here? Took it down, and then they take it up and take it down again. That's all they do is take it down, take it up, and take it down again. Or take it down, or take it up, then down, then back up again. That's what they fucking do, man. I'm telling you, every day. It's hilarious. It's not really hilarious, but see, right in here. They took it up to a new high on the day. I bet you that's a new high right there. Yeah. This is a new high on the day, right? And then they fucking take it down and then back up again. See? See how they do that? It's either one or the other. You know, they take it to a new high, then they fucking take it down and then back up. Or they make a new low and they take it, from the low back up again and then back down again. They do this every fucking day. Every damn day. Somebody's doing it. The traders, somebody. They're making it do this craziness. That's why you got to know these patterns, not just divergence patterns, not just, hookups or hook downs, or anything. You gotta know what the fuck they're doing. And the only way I can keep a kind of a good eye of what's going on and because before you jump in the trade, before you even think about doing a trade, you gotta have some kind of indication which way it's gonna go. If you're still going, oh, I think it's gonna go up. No, oh, no, I think it's gonna go down. No, I think it's gonna go up. If you're in that kind of decision, don't do the trade. Don't fucking do it. Because 9 times out of 10, you'll probably lose. Instead, wait for the confirmation. Like you see right in here. Okay? When it was trading up in here, I wasn't doing no buying because it was near the high. I'll be looking for a sell trade. And did it happen? Yes. There's the divergence. There's the cross down of the 5 below the 7. It's telling you good probabilities. When I got in here, I didn't know for sure, but I had a good idea it was going to break these fucking wicks right here. And it did. It boom, 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 all the way down. Okay? It's the same thing over here. You have a good indication right in here. Okay, it's going to continue to go higher. And that's what it did. And I had no trade for this right here because there was no divergence. Okay, there was no divergence here. The only divergence was here. Hidden divergence that gave me the sell here. Okay, so that's the NASDAQ and a little know-how on the NASDAQ and their patterns. Whoever's creating these patterns, the hedge funds, whoever they are trading it and making it move, you know, they make it move, and yeah, la-di-da. Got to get on that right side, right? You got to get on the right side. Okay, so we're finished with that. Yeah, there's more setups in here, but I covered enough. Let's go now to, I think it's this one. No, this one. Okay. Here is the NASDAQ again on the 5-minute on MetaTrader 4. So we had divergence here also. Higher highs. Boom. Down it goes. You would have got short. And down it went. 77 points. You know, and then it went up, came down. There's no divergence here. Okay, this needed to come down more. It's too far away. There's no divergence to buy it in here and take it up, even though that's exactly what happened. But there was a lower close, buy it right on the opening of this, and up it goes. It was good. It was good. There's no other lower close buy it trades up here. You wouldn't want to buy up there anyway. It's at the high of the day. So there's the two trades on the NASDAQ. Let's see, what did the S and the P do? Oh, I guess it just had hidden, yeah, it just had this one. It had hidden divergence on the 5-minute. And up it went, and up it went. 20 points on the S and the P. Oh, let me show you something here. So I remember, I don't know, a few weeks ago, I was late and I was I was trying a car out and whatever. Well, this is not the actual car, but it's the same car, just another picture of it. I want to show you what I was trying to buy, but the guy was trying to swindle me. Check this out. That is an SS Camaro. 2011 is the year I like. I don't even like the new year. I found out that they're really rare now because they stopped production of the Camaro in January of 24. I have no idea why they stopped the production. I'm sure it's still selling. They sold fucking hundreds of thousands of them since they started this new body style right here. In I think it was 2008 they started, and 2009 was the first release. It's the car from, you know, Bumblebee from Transformers, right? So yeah, I just love the car. I took it for a good couple spins, and the fucking engine light was on. I go, what the fuck? This guy's supposed to be selling me a car that's, you know, safety, where everything has to be right. You know what I mean? He put new tires on it. He put new brake pads, new rotors. But we had this damn engine light on, and I'm sure he knew what the fuck the engine light was on for. You know, was on. Well, it was on. It's because the fucking Cadillac converters were plugged up, and they're like, I don't know, $1,000 for each side of the exhaust system. There's two on each fucking pipe. But anyway, So I told him, I said, it's gotta be safety. I'm not gonna leave here with a fucking car with the engine light on, you know, because once you leave and sign off of it, you're fucked. You have to pay whatever goes wrong with it then. And there was something wrong with it. The reason the engine light was on is because the goddamn Cadillac converters needed to be replaced. And the guy didn't want to replace it. And oh, there are lots of cars I've sold with the engine light on. I go, yeah? Well, I know I'm big and I look stupid, but I'm not fucking stupid. Okay, buddy? Anyway, I got the check back and everything and whatever, and that was the end of that. And I guess I'm not fucking gonna get a Camaro sports car. I'm like 6'2", so just to get just to get in that fucking car, I have to do this special technique just to get in there. And then once I get my ass in the fucking seat, then I gotta like duck my fucking head down to fucking pull it inside the window here, because the window's only like a foot, maybe 14 inches or something. I don't know. It's very little from the top of the window to the bottom of the window. Yeah, and I gotta like tuck myself in there. It's like, and then you get in the car and it's so small in there. I just feel claustrophobic, and like it has two seats in the back, but I don't know who can sit there. Kids. Actually, not even one kid could sit behind me because the seat is all the way back. It's like, I don't know, like 3 inches or something from, the bottom of the back seat. You see what I mean? So there's no room for even a kid to put their feet in there. So yeah, I said, fuck it. Fuck this. I love the car. It's so sweet. It's so beautiful. Look at it, man. It's fucking gorgeous. You know? Anyway, I'll show you the one nice car I had. Just let me pause this for a sec. Okay, this car, 2011 Dodge Challenger. I bought this car and paid too much fucking money for it and drove it around for a few months, and my back, I couldn't sit in there properly. So I fucking traded it in for this car. One sec. And there's my E550 Mercedes. No, it is not an AMG. Those are even more money. This car was around 97,000 to buy it brand new. I never bought it brand new. I bought it used, so it was like, I paid, how much did I pay? I paid 37,000 for it, this car. It's really fast, man. It's a beautiful car. I just loved it, and yeah, I don't even want to tell you the rest of that story. But anyway, I drove this for 6 years. It was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. And now I was trying to get the Camaro, but I don't even fit in that fucking car. Okay, that's enough about cars. All right. I hope you enjoyed the car show today. Pause. All right. Back to the charts. So there was hidden divergence right here. Okay. And it went up beautifully. And then there was a lower close right here. We're still looking at the S and the P, okay? Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Here's another one. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. There was none up here. Why wasn't there any up here? They were too far where they closed. They closed too far away from the 5. I like the ones, see right here, closed right near the 5. Right here, this one, right at the 5. Yes. There's a reason for that. Anyway, there's the good trades. There's the divergence. Let's move on now to the Dow. I heard it went straight up today. Yeah. There it goes. There it goes. Craziness. I still call this a double bottom. It's like, come on. This candle right here, that, it pushed up and closed up way above, up above, away from the moving averages. That's our criteria to get in then, okay? But if we do mark it in like this, okay, close enough, right? Divergence, yeah. See, divergence, buy it up and up it goes. Beautiful trade. How much would he got out of this one? Well, it went up 242 points to the top, or ticks, or whatever. Let's look at the pound dollar now. Oh, look at this ugliness in here. Oh, there was news today. That's right. That's right. That's what made that happen. There was a bunch of news today for the pound. Yes, indeed. But it's a trade. Look, let me show you. There was a trade. There it is. Double bottom. There's the divergence, right? And I clicked the wrong thing. Yes. So you buy it in here somewhere, and up it went, like 40 points. 40 pips on the pound dollar. Sorry about that. The euro. No, there's no double bottom down here. There's no divergence from that bottom right where my arrow is pointing right now. There is no trade. There's no trade, ladies and gentlemen. Unless you wanted to risk it, and right here, lower close, buy it, and up it goes. Now this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles. No, there's nothing there. No, there's nothing. Here's one here though. See the lower close, buy it right there. Here's a nice trade right there. And yeah, it went up. Not much, 16 pips. Okay, let's look at the pound yen. Oh. The pound was going up, the yen was going down. It made a mess of the pound yen chart, didn't it? It did. Definitely did. I'm not marking anything on there, ladies and gentlemen. It's just a mess. That's what that is. I call that a mess. Euro yen, oh, very, very choppy. It's kind of a, oh, well, no. Oh, yeah. Here it is. Double bottom or lower low. And there's the divergence right there. And there was the news, right? Well, that's the news. If you're willing to get in after the news, somewhere right in here, went up 13 pips. How much did it go to the top? Oh, only 26 pips. On the EJ, Euro Yen, yeah, it's a mess too, kind of. And then we have oil. Oh, it's chopping today too. Look at that shit. That shite. You shite. Hedge fund shite. Yeah, somebody's trading that shit. I don't know who. There's no divergence here. Like there's like a nice double top. But there's nothing here. Well, let me tweak it. Let me tweak it, ladies and gentlemen. I can tweak it for you. Like that? Yeah, like that. And see right down here the blue doodah? Yeah. There. Now you see the blue doodahs, right? See right here? That's it. So you would have got in short right in there. Stop at the swing high, 20 ticks. on oil. And it went down 56 ticks. There you go. There's the trade for today. I bet when it was rallying up, it was 9 o'clock right in here. Oh, 8:45. Oh, this is the opening candle right here. Well, it told you to sell anyway, and it was right. Okay, let's look at gold. We have some, we have something. We do. Okay. Wish those would disappear, but they don't. Or stay where I put them, but they don't. They move on to the next chart. The next chart, they're like a tango on, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So where's the trade, right? Well, let me show ya. Be patient now. We got to go all the way this time. All the way. See this big valley here? It's screaming at you to buy it. See that? Just like that. One's going up, one's going down. You would have waited for price to come back up and the 5 to cross back up over the 7. Okay? Right in there you would have bought it. And up it went 100. Yeah, this is gold. Yeah. 190 ticks. Gold went up today. Goddamn gold, hey, it's good. Hey, Fook. Oh yeah, I know. I've noticed that there's a lot of just from being around and checking things out. There's a lot of Asian traders who come from China, Singapore, Malaysia, all those places, Thailand, wherever. They all love to trade gold. They love the gold, man. And you can't blame them because sometimes you get some really good freaking trades like today. This one right here. Fucking 190 points to the top, man. That's awesome. Anyway, what's Bitcoin doing? Oh, it's come down. It's trying to get back up there. And XRP? Oh, they knocked it down again, the bastards. What about Ethereum? Oh, it's come back up a little. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's the show for today. I hope you enjoyed the little car show in between there. I've loved cars ever since I was a little kid, like 3 years old. I used to play with my dinky cars. I love cars. I love fast-looking cars. Not particularly do I like to go fast. I don't. It scares the shit out of me. If I bring my car up to like 80 miles an hour, I'm freaking out. Like, I don't like speed like that. But I like a fucking car who, that is really, that looks really fast. Doesn't have to be fast, though. So anyway, once again, this is Jason Sweezy here, the Divergence Trader. I want to thank you for coming out and watching and listening today. If you have not subscribed, please do. I'll appreciate it. And hit that like button. Good luck and good trading.